Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for today's video. So I've been doing a lot of these budget meal prepping because meal prepping is a really great way to stay on budget if you're trying to save some money, trying to save with rising food costs. So meal prepping is a really great way to make sure that you're not wasting any money and that you're not wasting any food. So that's why I've been doing all these budget meal prep videos lately. Check out the description. I will link my last few weeks of videos in there. Tons of great ideas for cheap meals. And I also have a new playlist for budget friendly meals. So that will be in the description box as well, so that it's much easier for you to find these budget meals that I've been doing. So for this week, I'm gonna do burrito bowls. I have these really great plastic containers. They're a little bit different than my glass. These containers that I normally use for my meal prepping. They're plastic and I like them because I can store these in the freezer and I can make a whole batch of this burrito bowl and it makes tons of it. So I'm gonna make a whole bunch. I'm gonna freeze some. This is a really great freezable recipe. So in these burrito bowls, all of the burrito bowls are gonna be less than $10. So it's really great, makes a bunch of servings. So I'm gonna have in my burrito bowls chicken. I've already cooked up the chicken. I barbecued it with just a little bit of seasoning. I have some bell pepper, orange and green. Green bell peppers are pretty cheap and the color orange, yellow, red, they're a little bit more expensive, but I really prefer them. So I have 2 bell peppers. You can use any color you'd like. I have a can of lentils, super high in protein, high in fiber, great for you. And some black beans, also high in protein and fiber. So this is a really good, healthy, high protein meal. And I have some green salsa, shredded cheddar cheese, and I have some cooked rice. So I made some brown rice last night, so I'm going to use the leftovers of that. So like I said, all of these burrito bowls is $10 and it's gonna make a ton of servings. We'll be ready for the week. These are great for lunches and for dinner. And they freeze really well, like I said. So I'm gonna get all this cooking and all meal prepped and ready to go. All right, you guys, these burrito bowls are so quick and so easy, healthy, really budget friendly. So I'm gonna portion them into my meal prep containers. I'm gonna use these plastic ones this week because I just love storing them in the freezer in these ones. I'll put a link to these in the description box. I got them on Amazon. It comes in a big, huge pack. They are reusable. So these are really great. And I'm going to use a measuring cup to portion out all of the burrito bowl because I can sometimes add too much, so I want to know exactly how much I'm having in each bowl. So I'm going to use 1 cup and I'm going to portion it to each container. All right, so now I'm gonna add some cheese on top. All right, you guys, so I have all of these meals for $10. I have 9 servings of burrito bowls. Like I said, these are really great. You can freeze them and then just pull them out in a week or two and they're ready to go. So I'll just store these in the refrigerator, heat them up for lunch or dinner. These are really great, healthy, high protein, really easy, really quick, and definitely saves on the grocery budget. So check out my other budget meal prep ideas on my playlist that I will link in the description box. Hope you have a great day. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.